What's up guys, this is Yash and welcome to this refresh video. In today's video, I will be telling you about 4 awesome tools that can help you build better Google ad campaigns, because it's going to help you understand keywords, and it is also going to help you understand the SEO data that you could actually rank better on your own website. So without any further ado, let's jump right into it. So right off the bat, let's go to our computer screen and talk more about these. So the first tool that I'm going to talk to you about today is called the Google Ads Keyword Planner. So it's simple. If you go into your Google Ads and then click. Okay, so it's very simple to go to Google's Keyword Planner. First of all, you go to your Google Ads, click on Tools up top, and then you're going to go to Planning, Keyword Planner. Click on that, and then it's going to bring you right up here. So let's say you're trying to do a keyword campaign for, say, wallets, right? So we're going to put wallet as our keyword, and then hit Get Started. You're going to select an account. My account is set up differently because it's a managerial account, but when you're going to see, you won't have to select account here. Just hit Get Started. It'll bring you all the information for the keywords. So you'll see all the search volume right here. This tells you average monthly search volume, tells you about the competition. Is the competition high? Is the competition low? Low competition, that means it's not in high demand, and the demand and supply actually defines the competition, and the competition is going to be high if there is a lot of people competing for that keyword, right? So we're looking at wallet, and then it found other relatable keyword ideas, being Louis Vuitton wallet, Gucci wallet, men's wallet, Michael Kors wallet, Ridge wallet, Coach wallet. So you know these are the ones which are in a way trending and have a bunch of search volume. So if you were to actually put out an ad for Louis Vuitton wallet, you should get clicks really fast, because there are 100K to 1 million searches per month. That's a ton of them. Competition is high. To rank on the top of the page, low level bid is 37 cents and high level bid is 48 cents. So this is one of the cheaper ones, so you probably would get a few good number of clicks with this. So this is where you find your keyword ideas. You go through it, you understand what is what is not, you understand which keywords you want, and then you could even break it down further into themes. So wallet, let's do leather wallet. Hit enter, get results. Same way, it'll give you all of what it could find based on that. So men's wallet is the first thing, about 24,000 total volume. Average monthly search is 100K to 1 million. Cost per click is $1.23. Competition is 1. This is 1 means unity. Unity means 100%. That means high competition. If the number is smaller, that means competition is lower. On the right hand side, it gives you the minimum bid and the maximum bid to be on the top of the page. That is pretty good. And then you could actually click onto columns and select what you want to see. You want to see organic average position, competition, organic impression share, all the good stuff, and plan around it. The good thing why I recommend Google Keyword Planner above a lot of other ones is because you could just select the ones that you really want and quickly add to plan. You could create a plan, add it there, and then go to your ad, create an ad, and then import everything directly from the plan. So this is my first one, the first one that I personally recommend. So the second one that I recommend a lot is Ubersuggest. It is a software which is actually hosted by Neil Patel. It's an amazing software. It gives you similar information like a Google Keyword Planner, but I just personally like it a lot. It gives me a lot of information, helps me build my ad campaigns better, and it also gives me my competition's keywords and stuff. So say I want to do a wallet keyword. Let's look up wallet. I just hit enter and take Fossil. So Fossil is a brand. They have a wallet. They have tons of wallets. Take it in legal. So Ubersuggest. So we're gonna take that keyword, paste it right here, hit enter, search. Boom. So it's gonna search everything and give you all the keywords Fossil SEMRush.com is really using right now, and then you could actually figure out what you really want to do. So you're gonna scroll, go to keyword ideas on the left, and then paste in a link and hit search. So right here, organic keywords, you click on that, and it'll tell you all the keywords that they're ranking for. So they're ranking for fossil, obviously. This is the page. SEO difficulty 68, it's over 100. Position is 1, they show up first when you put in fossil. This is their organic ranking, and you can understand which ones you want to really show up for and what is trending right now. You could also click on top pages. That would tell you all their top pages, and then you can understand what business model to go for, or what wallet you can actually promote or create if you want to really go for that. So go ahead and search for what they're really selling. Timepieces, and mostly selling watches from the looks of it, because first 10 links are all watches. Then it's top pages by country. Main country is the US, followed by India, England, and Germany right over here, and it gives you all that great information. Then we're going to go on keyword ideas, put wallet, similarly how we did it in the other one, and it gave you all that information. It also on the right hand side gives you which one actually ranks first, second, third, fourth on the search. So the first one is Amazon, second one is Fossil, third one is Macy's, and Wikipedia. And we could test it here by putting the word wallet. Hit enter. There are going to be a bunch of ads, but then you have Amazon, Macy's, Fossil, Nordstrom. So it's very similar to what we have here. It has Nordstrom, Macy's, Fossil, and Amazon up top. Probably was picked that up from the shopping. So this is pretty amazing. This tool actually helps you understand where you could really rank and what all keywords to select. Again, you select the ones that you really want, copy to clipboard, directly paste it into your ad campaigns, or you could export it as a CSV, to download it as a CSV, use the CSV to create exact match, broad match, modified, phrase match to test out different ad sets. So that's my second tool. Tool number 3, one of the most amazing tools. It is very, very intense, very, very in-depth, but we're going to go on the free version. We do have the paid version that we use in the industry over here, or in the agency over here actually, but for you, you could just get away with the free version of it. It's called SEMRush. It is pretty good. So just come here, paste a domain right here, and hit start now. Once you do that, it'll give you so much more information about the company. To tell you organic research, it's doing its thing. We're gonna get out of here. It's just gonna ask you to log in. So this is the paid version that's gonna log us into, but it gives you intense amount of information. It's $99 a month, and I do recommend using it. So we're gonna go through it. So scroll. It tells you Fossil Wallets is up top right here. 18,100 volume, traffic is about 0.93, pretty good looking over here. Competition positioning, Timex, World Watches, all of the competition, how they're placed, and then you could go right into keyword analysis. Actually, we should do over here keyword, we should put wallet, hit enter. It gives us the overview for the word wallet. Organic searches about 135,000, paid searches, average cost per click is 1.29, CPC distribution, you have it over here, other related keywords, wallet, small black leather wallet. So things like this are being searched upon. These are the ad copies which are live right now. So Amazon has an ad for that, Fanatics.com have an ad for that. Other companies are selling stuff like that. So this is great for giving you ideas about how to build your own ads, and you could even see their landing pages by just clicking here. So you click on that, all the shoes will bring you right here to their website where they have the wallet ad going to, and which is pretty cool and crazy. It works. All of these are the organic search results based on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers that can be discussed. We just saw it on Google, so that is pretty cool. And look, it also has product ad copies, ad history, tons of more tools on the left hand side. It even has your keyword magic tool. This is one of the amazing tools because it helps you narrow down your ad campaigns, which is pretty cool. So if you hit wallet and you search, it'll show you tons of keywords which are relatable to this. It's a broad match, so 8,761 keywords. You're going to change it into exact match. It should lower the number significantly. So we lost 1 million. And now you see what all is going on. Over here we have Google, man, these are the ones that we want to show up for, not show up for. These are extra ones, right? So we could go advanced filters and exclude things we don't want it for, right? So how to, DIY, and the number keeps decreasing. So right now we're at 7,767,000. We put how to in DIY, it's at 7,645,000. We want to make it better, so we're going to be like, okay, the volume is high, right? From say at least 1,000 searches higher. So that volume is going to decrease even further, because now we're actually so it was a whole big image of all the wallets, and now we're narrowing down to what we really want to aim for. So we're at 3 million now. So one thing we don't want to show up for is probably Bitcoin, probably crypto. Things like this are totally irrelevant because we're selling actual wallets, something like this. So get rid of those. Then on the left you could see, what do you not want to show up for? So I don't want to show up for 7, we don't want to show up for Kate, Coach, Chain, Gucci. These things, if you don't want to show up for, you just keep on putting them into your excluded keywords, and you keep on narrowing it down until you find your great, good looking keywords that you could really use. You could change difficulty, because it'd be harder for you to rank up higher on things which have high difficulty and big CPCs. So what you could do, you could use other ways of just choosing the ones which have really, really low difficulty and try to make sure they are embedded into your pages, or you are using those keywords to describe your products. You can use that in order to get more traction onto your pages and list up higher on your SEOs. That being said, the fourth tool that I have is one of the most amazing tools. We're going to go into a regular window and start typing whatever we're searching for, and we're searching for wallets. So we did our thing. Now it's going to tell us how much. Volume is 135,000 searches, cost per click is $1, competition is 1. Right underneath my search, so anything I search, it'll give me the actual numbers related to that quickly. Why it does that? Because we're using a plugin called Keywords Everywhere. One of my favorite plugins. It'll actually go ahead and pull up related keywords to the thing that you've searched on Google, people also searching for, and it even works on YouTube. It is amazing, and it will help you build so many things, so many ways quicker. One bonus tool I want to give it before I go is called Suval.com. It is a very basic looking website, but it does wonders. So whatever you put here, it'll search across the board in Bing, Yahoo, Amazon, YouTube, Wikipedia, Google at the same time. So if you were to put wallet, it'll tell you all the things which are doing and how much searches are being conducted on what page and what search engine and in what volume and what's the cost per click, which is pretty amazing. You could use whatever you want. You could put leather wallets and leave it there and see what it does. So Answers and Wiki has nothing, but Amazon's got ton here. Men leather wallet, men leather wallet, leather wallets for men, leather wallets for men, leather wallets for men, being searched everywhere. So it is one of the great keywords you might want to use when you're doing that, and you want to make it an exact match. And just doing that alone should get you tons of clicks, because it is a highly searched thing. It's about 22,000 searches per month, which is amazing, which is a lot. And if you're working on a small budget, that just one keyword should be able to eat up all your budget. And don't try to put in too many, don't cram it up with too many keywords. That's my tip over there. So tell me if you like these tools, and tell me which tool impressed you, or which tool you knew off and you were like, oh, I knew this. And if you have any other recommendation that we should know, or I should know, or we should use in my industry, and you like it, every time I say industry, I mean agency, any other tool of that sort, and you want to recommend that to us, go into the comment section, tell it to us there, and we would like to use it and see, and I'll review that and tell you if I like it or not. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up, share it with a friend who could use SEO help or keyword planning help, and watch my other video by clicking here, subscribe by clicking here. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, peace, have a good day. Peace.